Illustrations of linear equations into variables. Linear equation, an algebraic expression that has first degree term. We will say first degree term, so that's the power or the exponent is 1. In the variables, and the graph is straight line if there are two variables. So this is the general form. Ax plus by plus c equals 0. And the standard form, ax plus by equals c. As you can see, in general form, the c is in the left side. In standard form, the c is in the right side. Tell whether the given equation or linear equation into variables, right? Yes or no. For number 1, we have 10x squared minus y squared equals 10. So, what is the meaning of the linear equation? The first degree is 1. And we have the general form and standard form. So, we have ax plus by plus c equals 0. For standard form is ax plus by equals c. So, if this one is squared or 2 degree is 2, it means that is no, not linear equation. Number 2. 2x plus 4y equals 2y plus 6. As you can see, we have x here in the first degree term, and 4y, the first degree also. So it means that is yes. Why is it yes? Why is it linear equation? Because when you're going to rearrange this one, so it becomes the general form, can be general form or can be standard form. Number 3, 2x equals 5xy plus 10. We have 2x and we have 5xy. They are first degree term, right? So we have the exponent here 1, exponent here 1, and exponent 1 here. But as you can see, we have 5xy here. It's combinations of x and y. So therefore, that's not linear equation or no linear equation. We need to separate the x and y here, like the number 2. Number 4, 3 over x plus 5 over y equals 7. Okay, if you're going to do this one, as standard form or general form, we're going to multiply by xy. Xy, when you multiply for 7, that's 7xy. So 7xy, that's together of x and y. We need to separate the x and y. So therefore, if that's the case, the answer is no. It's not linear equation. Number 5, x over 4 plus y over 2 equals 11. So the denominator is 4 and 2. So the also is 4. So we're going to multiply the 4 here. And we have the answer that is 44. So therefore, x and y is separated. So the answer is yes. Because this is linear equations. What is the difference between the number 4 and 5? Because the denominator here is xy. So when we multiply for 7, that is 7xy. So 7xy is not linear equation because they are not separated of x and y. So number 5, the case for here is the number, the LCD is 4. So when we multiply 4 to 11, we have 44. And we have for x and y. X and y is separated, so that's why it's yes. How to change the linear equation in standard form? We have the standard form ax plus by equals c. For number 1, we have 2x plus 4y equals 2y plus 6. We're going to rearrange this one. 2x plus 4y negative 2y equals 6. Then it becomes 2x plus 2y equals 6. Let's go on for number 1. So what happens to this one? So 2x plus 4y. So the standard form is the x and y is in the position of this is in the left. And this is the right. Right? After the equals. So therefore, the x and y is on the left sides. So we have another one y here. This y we need to put it here in the left side. But how? Using the subtraction property of equality. Why is the subtraction property of equality? Because the 2y, we need to put it here. The opposite of 2y is negative 2y. So negative 2y is sign is negative subtractions. So when you do that, the subtraction property of equality. You have negative 2y here, then cancel out the 2y here on the right side. Then the negative 2y is here in the left side. So we need to combine the 4y and negative 2y. So 4y and negative 2y subtract, we have positive 2y. Copy 2x and copy 6. So this is the answer. Number 2, 3 over x plus 5 over y equals 15 over xy. So our LCD here is xy. So that's the LCD. Now we're going to multiply xy times multiply or divide xy divided by x, cancel out the x, then y, we have y. So 3 times y is 3y. Then go here, let's go here. Xy divided by y, cancel the y, and we have x times 5, 5x. Then for this one, xy divided by xy, cancel out, then the answer is 15. So this is 1. 3y plus 5x equals 15. Then let's rearrange this one. 5x plus 3y equals 15. So this is the final answer. Write in the standard form of the equation 2x minus 6 equals y. So the standard form is ax plus by equals c. Now, since the y is in the right sides, we're going to put it here in the left sides. Let's rearrange it. So the y must be here and negative 6 must be here. But don't forget, if you're going to rearrange this one, the sign will change. Okay, so 2x copy. The y, when you're going to put it here, becomes negative y. Then positive, this negative 6 becomes positive when you put it here in the left side, in the right side. Have 2x negative y equals 6. That's the answer. Make an equation can be formed if a equals 2, b equals negative 5, and c negative 10. So we have the formula for standard form. So let's substitute only. A is 2, and b is negative 5, and c is negative 10. So the answer is 2x negative 5y equals negative 10.